So, you're thinking about solar, but you have a million questions about what happens during installation. How long does it take? Will my roof be damaged? And what happens if something goes wrong? Today, we're pulling back the curtain to show you the process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect and why Sunfinity makes solar installation smooth and stress-free as possible. The truth is, installing solar is easier than what most people think. A lot of homeowners imagine a huge, complicated construction project that takes weeks. But the reality, most Sunfinity installs are completed in just one day. From the moment you decide to go solar, we take care of everything. We handle permits, coordinate with your utility company, and schedule your installation at a time that works best for you. There's no guesswork, there's no surprises, just a smooth transition to clean energy. Let's break it down. Here's exactly what happens on installation day. The first thing we do is a final roof inspection to make sure that everything is ready for installation. Then, we carefully map out your panel layout according to your custom design plan. This is what holds your solar panels securely in place. Sunfinity uses a non-invasive mounting system designed to protect your roof and to prevent leaks. The mounts are sealed and weatherproof for long-term durability. One of the biggest myths about solar is that it damages your roof. But the truth is, solar panels actually protect your roof, shielding it from the elements. Once the racking is in place, the panels are mounted securely. Our electricians then connect your system to your home's electrical panel and ensure that everything is working perfectly. At this point, everything is in place. But before we activate your system, there is one final step: inspection and utility approval. One of the biggest difference between Sunfinity and other solar companies is our commitment to customer service. We don't just install your panels and then disappear. We're with you every step of the way. Before your installation, we walk you through the design and answer any of your questions. On installation day, our crew will keep you updated through the process. After installation, we help you monitor your system's performance to make sure you're getting the best possible results. We also offer a comprehensive system warranty and ongoing customer support. If you ever have a question, we're just a call away. So, what happens when your system is up and running? The short answer is you start saving immediately. Most homeowners notice a lower energy bill within the first month. Some eliminate their electricity bill entirely. And over time, those savings, they add up. Typically tens of thousands of dollars over the lifetime of the system. But the benefits go beyond just saving money. Homeowners with solar see an average increase of 4 to 6% on their home's value. That means solar isn't just an investment in energy. It's an investment in your property. Now, we're always upfront. Solar isn't for everyone. Things like roof condition, shading, and energy usage all play a role in determining if solar makes sense for your home. That's why we start with the free consultation to help you find out if solar is a good fit. That's why we start with the discovery call. At Sunfinity Power, we're not just installing solar panels. We're helping homeowners take control of their energy future. If you're ready to start your solar journey, just give us a call or visit our website today. Let's see if solar is right for you.